Group and Block Tools Function Introduction Block Module. Add attributes to block. This command is used to assign attributes to the blocks through interface interaction. Click the Add Attributes to Block function. Select the block entity for which you want to add the attribute. Fill in the content item by item in the attribute, text, and properties columns. After clicking the Add button, a new row of attribute tags will be added. After adding multiple rows of tags, click the OK button to complete the addition of attributes to the block. Attribute added to block completed. Add entities to block. This command is used to add new entities to an existing block. Click the Add Entities to Block function. Select the block to add entities. Select the entities to be added, press Enter to confirm. Choose whether to delete the selected entities. Entity added to block completed. Remove entities from block. This command is used to remove some entities from the existing block. Click the Remove Entities from Block function. Select a block to delete an entity. Select Entity to delete from existing block, press Enter to confirm. Choose whether to delete the selected entities. Entity deleted from block completed. Thanks for watching. Best for all Explorer software.